Hey ladies, welcome back to another Love Me Hair wig install. I am so happy I have a curly hair wig to show you guys. I've been waiting on these to come in now that it is summer. New York just had a whole heat wave, etc, etc. This particular wig is called the Premax Water Wave Glueless Flexi Fit Drawstring Wig. It is a 13x4 pre-cut, pre-plucked, all that good stuff, lace frontal, so you don't have to worry about doing any type of maintenance to the frontal. This wig is 180% and I have this wig in 24 inches, I believe. Now, the purpose of this wig is to obviously have a full 13x4 lace frontal that you can do in multiple different styles. However, it is supposed to be beginner friendly. Oh, and I also forgot to mention she is 100% human hair. So as always, I'm going to give you guys some close-ups of the wig in itself. We're definitely going to make use of that drawstring. I'm going to melt the lace, and we're just going to do a regular curly hair wig install as we normally do. Alright, so now that the drawstring part is done, the wig cap in itself is feeling very secure on my head. It's feeling very tight, not uncomfortable tight, but it's just a secure tight. However, the lace in itself, I do just want to add a little bit of spray, mostly because some of the areas was not laying flat. So while the lace is melting, I went ahead and did my curly hair routine, I guess you can say. I didn't really do too much. You guys know I don't like to do too much. So all I did was just add some water. I finger detangled. I'll show you guys a clip of how much hair came out. The shedding was pretty much on the minimal side. I didn't have crazy tangling, no smell, nothing crazy or anything like that. And as far as to keep the curls defined, I went in with just a little bit of mousse. Alright, so I took off the elastic band. I'm going to add some foundation on this lace as always, and you guys know I like to use a little bit of the hair from the wig to cover up any areas that I feel like are showing. My natural edges come out farther than when the lace ends, so I do have to cover that up with every wig install that I do. Sometimes I have to do baby hair, sometimes I don't. In this case, I was able to kind of just finesse it and avoid doing the actual precise baby hair routine. So I added my foundation, covered up the areas that I wanted to cover, and I was all set. All right, ladies, that is all for today's routine. Now, as I mentioned in the beginning, please remember that this is a 13x4 lace frontal. So if you decide you want to do a part other than the middle part, you do have the room to do so. We all should know this by now, but I do have other tutorials where I did show alternative parting styles. However, in this particular case, I just went ahead and I stuck with a middle part. So make sure you guys go ahead and you check out my description box per the usual. I have a discount code for you guys to use. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this wig install. Again, it's very beginner friendly and it is good for the summertime, being that this is a water wave texture and there's not too much that you have to do. Prayers for you though if you decide to wear lace during a heat wave. But thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time.